Welcome back to Stereo Installs. I'd like to thank our good friend 650E for bringing in his sick, nasty F250, letting us give it the whole shebang. In this build, we're talking about custom 1000 bulb starlight headliner, custom RGB lighting from front to rear that all syncs together on the subwoofer box, custom underseat subwoofer enclosure with 3 downfiring L7R10 subwoofers, amps, speakers, subwoofers, custom bass knob that's made out of alloy to match everything. Follow this video to the very end to see the miraculous results of this custom build we did for our good buddy 650E here at Stereo Installs.
That was legitness.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Stereo Installs. Thank you so much for joining us today. What we're working on here is a 1000 bulb 14 million color RGB fiber optic headliner kit that we installed in the F250. Painstaking process. They wanted the Milky Way galaxy installed into the headliner. That was pretty difficult because of the panoramic roof in the middle, but our guys rocked it out. The difficult part of the install was just hand soldering each one of the 1000 bulbs, but it came out to perfection. You're seeing right here, this is the guys getting it fit tight in there. Now we're going on to the subwoofer box enclosure that we built for under the seat. Look at the materials we have here. Beautiful black carpeting, beautiful black leather that all matches the factory OEM spec. It was milled on our CNC machine to fit perfectly under the back seat of the truck. You also used our Glowforge CO2 laser to pop out those beautiful acrylic 650E logos for his setup. Look at the bright in-your-face colors on all 3 logos that are on the box. The big fat one in the middle, the 2 ones on the sides. No matter where you're looking at the vehicle, every angle you have, whatever door you're looking in, or even from your front looking to the back, you got the color and his logo. I mean, it's just in your face. Everybody knows whose vehicle this is. That was the goal. Just putting everything out there for him when he goes to bike shows and everything in Florida, like just looking sweet. Boom, look at that, baby. 3 L7 Slim 10 square subwoofers just rocking this cabin. Everything's being tested right now to make sure the lighting works. Brian was just kind of giving you a little preview there of what the meat of the situation is. We're gonna go back into the cabin, but just look at the beautiful cleanliness and amazingness of that build. Creeping back into the interior here, Patrick's finishing up the headliner. Steve's got the fiber optic going into the rear. Looks like a fire hose he's got in his hand, but that's all 1000 bulbs being installed into the power inverter that connects to. Brian's getting the power inverter, installed in here behind the seat, getting everything all tidied up. A lot of product was installed back behind the seat there. And here we go, baby. This is the action right here. This is the meat of it. Bam! Look at that. Starliner just lighting up. Now this is in our shop. It's not at nighttime, so it's that bright during the day. Steve's taking the cover off on the door sill there. We put LED door cells in it for him. I mean, there was lights everywhere on this build, man. Custom lights everywhere. Now you got Brad and Brian sliding the box in to test fit into the vehicle. Let's go back again to the OEM integration here. Carpeting, leather. It looks like it was made for the car, but it's complete custom. It's like Ford, like 650E sending a email to Ford, like, this is what I want my truck to look like from the factory. That's basically what we do, man. We make everything that looks so custom, but it's also form-fitting and made exactly for the truck. Like, look how the leather matches, the leather on the seats, the carpeting all matches. They're about to put the seat down, turn on the lights, get everything all tied together here, get those subs banging. Look at this. I mean, look at the ceiling. Look at the custom 650E logo up on the ceiling.
Damn, you guys did a good job on this one, dude. Oh, man, this is nice.
Pretty gnarly.
It's fucking nice.
Awesome lights, nice presentation, all the... Do you see the lights, the F250, like side lights, the hood emblem, and the tailgate emblem, and...
No, we're gonna go over all that.
Point you're gonna see it, so it's nice that it's like organized.
Yeah, looks nice.
Is that hard to brighten up when you're in the
Studio? Nah, easy enough.
closing down the day here at Stereo Installs. Got one of our really awesome customers, 2022 F250, pretty much straight off the truck. Customer picked it up in North Carolina, brought it straight here, doing a bunch of upgrades. You saw the little bit of video Larry already showed you. Did a LED front Ford emblem, F250 LED emblems on the side. Coming to the cab here, got the platinum door seals light up.
Look at that.
Vehicle had a P&O system from the factory, upgraded sound, but just wasn't enough for me. Wanted to make it extra special. Gave him the whole hookup. Kicker 6x9s in all four doors. Kicker KS series tweeters with custom trim rings and the A-pillars up front. Has the factory screen. We retained the factory amplifier using a Nav TV Zen module. That lets you add an aftermarket amplifier or two. So got a Triton 4-channel amp back there on all the door speakers. And then we have a Kicker CXA 1200 behind the back seat. Running 3 L7R solo barrack 10s and a down-firing enclosure, which you'll see in a minute, which is just raw dog nasty.
Wow.
As you can see, Larry's been showing you the 1,000 light fiber optic.
Yeah, we're
headliner.
gonna get into that
The
one.
tricky part about this one is it's got the panoramic roof. So we actually took the headliner apart, had to disassemble all the mechanics for the panoramic sunroof, and then it's literally individually poking 1,000 holes and installing lights. RGB, so it changes a bunch of the colors. I'm sure you can see that.
Let's take it to the back. Let's check out the back. Look at that. Step out. Oh, it's so nice. Lit up really good. Get in.
Got a custom black leather box with the customer's YouTube channel logos built into the sides and the front. Also in the headliner, we got another one of his logos up there just to give it a little bit of love.
Come around to that.
On the back panel here, you got the Stereo Install Zen module, the 4-channel amp, and the 1200 watt amp, and then down there you see the fiber optic for the headliner.
It's a little dark, but it's beautiful. I'm gonna come around, check her out. She's all beauty. Yeah, did all the nice stickering on there.
There's already starting pulling sports cars past you and stuff.
Oh yeah. Okay.
As you saw Larry make the pass around the back of the vehicle, we also did do a rear LED Ford emblem, which does not come on this vehicle. And then Larry, get the front here.
Oh yeah.
The big logo in the front. It's all controllable LEDs, RGB. Runs on an app on your phone.
And then the headliner. Wow. Look at that.
We wanted to give it like the pattern. You know, some people just don't have a plan, but we wanted to give it the true pattern, like you were looking up at the night sky. You know.
Wow. It sure is beautiful. Check it out. All the way around.
If you want any work done like this at all on any of your vehicles, hit us up at Stereo Installs here in Mentor, Ohio. We are the baddest, bro.
That's true.
Simple.
Look at the work. Hey, you want to hop in here? Here, I could go from here. Let's turn this up and listen to this bad boy.
I'll get some. and my homie Larry tonight. We're gonna get out of here. It's a little late. You want to get any upgrades to anything you own in life, come see us at Stereo Installs, 7507 Tyler Boulevard, Manor, Ohio, Unit B. And we'll see you next time.
Or you can visit us on the web at www.stereoinstalls.com.
Like, share, subscribe.